Good afternoon students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Today in this video you will learn how to factorize an algebraic expression of the type x square plus px plus q. Here we have to find two numbers a and b such that the sum of the two numbers a and b, that is a plus b, is equal to p is equal to coefficient of x, and the product of the two numbers a and b is equal to q, that is equal to constant term. Then the given expression becomes, that is x square plus px plus q is equal to, we can write here x square plus, in place of p we can write a plus b, then x plus, in place of q we write ab. Now if we open the bracket, this becomes x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Now from the first two terms x is common, so we take out x common, then the other factors will be x plus a. Also from the second two terms b is common in both the terms, so we take out b common, then the other factors will be x plus a. Now in these two terms x plus a is common in both the terms, so again we take out x plus a common from both the terms, then the other term factors will be x plus b. So which is the required factor form x square plus px plus q, which is the required factor form of the given algebraic expression x square plus px plus q, that is x square plus px plus q is equal to x plus a multiplied by x plus b. Now let us consider the case when p and q both are positive, that is p is greater than 0 and q is greater than 0. So we consider two numbers a and b such that a plus b is equal to p, which is greater than 0, and ab is equal to q, which is greater than 0. So here product of two numbers is positive, which means that either both of them are positive or both of them are negative. So here we take, but we know sum of two positive numbers is always positive, but the sum of two negative numbers is not positive. So here we take a and b both are positive because the sum of two negative numbers cannot be positive. So let us consider one example to understand this case. Let us consider one example that factorize x square plus 8x plus 15. In this case, here the coefficient of x is positive and the constant term is also positive, that is p and q both are positive. So let us consider two numbers a and b such that the sum of the two numbers, that is a plus b, is equal to 8, which is positive, and the product of the two numbers, that is ab, is equal to 15, which is also positive. So product of two numbers is positive, that means either both of them are positive or negative. But the sum of two negative numbers cannot be positive, so here we take both the numbers as positive. So we take a is positive and b is also positive. Now the possible factor, here a and b are the factors of 15 because their product is 15. So the possible factors of 15 are, 15 can be written as 15 is equal to 1 multiplied by 15. So here 1 plus 15 is not equals to 8. So we will not consider the two numbers as 1 and 15. Again we can write 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. So here 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, which is equal to the sum of the two numbers, that is a plus b is equal to 8, is equal to, that is the coefficient of x. So we take two numbers as 3 and 5. So one of this, let us take a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Any of them we can take, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3 also. So now we put this value in place of a and b. So the given expression becomes x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to, here 8 means a plus b. So in place of 8, we can write 3 plus 5x plus 15 means 3 multiplied by 5. So if we open the bracket, x square plus 3x plus 5x plus 3 multiplied by 5. So if we take x common, this becomes x plus 3, and here if we take 5 common, this becomes x plus 3. So in both the terms x plus 3 is common, so we take out x plus 3 common, then the other factor will be x plus 5, which is the required factor form of the given algebraic expression, that is x square plus 8x plus 15, that is equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5. Now let us consider the case when p is negative and q is positive. So we take two numbers a and b such that their sum a plus b is equal to p, which is less than 0, and product ab is equal to q, which is greater than 0. As the product of two numbers is positive, it means that either both of them are positive or both of them are negative. But the sum of two positive numbers cannot be negative. So here we consider the two numbers as negative because the sum of two negative numbers is negative. So here we take a is negative and b is also negative. For example, factorize x square minus 7x plus 12. In this case, the middle term, that is the value of p, that is the coefficient of x, is negative, that is minus 7, but the constant term is here positive, that is 12. So let us consider two numbers a and b such that a plus b is equal to minus 7, which is negative, and their product is 12, which is positive. So here we take ab as negative. So here we take a less than 0 and b less than 0. So the possible factors of 12 are, so the possible factors of 12 are, so 12 can be written as 1 multiplied by 12, but here 1 plus 12 is not equals to minus 7, so we will not consider this number. Again 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, but 3 plus 4 is not equal to minus 7, so here also we will not take these two numbers. But as we have considered that both a and b are negative, so let us take these two numbers as negative, minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. So in this case, if we write minus 3 minus 4, that is coming minus 7. So which is satisfying the condition according to the given question. So here we take the two numbers as minus 3 and minus 4. So let us take a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 4. Then the given expression becomes x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x square plus, in place of minus 7 we write minus 3 minus 4x plus minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. Now if we open the bracket, this becomes x square minus 3x minus 4x plus minus 3 multiplied by minus 4, which is, if we take x common, this coming x minus 3, and if we take minus 4 common, this is coming x minus 3. So this becomes x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4, which is the required factor form of the given algebraic expression x square minus 7x plus 12, which is also known as the quadratic polynomial. So here the two factors are x minus 3 and x minus 4. Let us consider the case when p is positive and q is negative. So we take two numbers a and b such that a plus b is equal to p, which is positive, and their product ab is equal to q, which is negative. So the product of two numbers is negative. It means that one of them is positive, another is negative, or the first one is negative, another one is positive, but their sum is positive. So here the greater number in A and B, which number is greater, that number should be positive. So the greater number is positive. So which one is greater in A and B, that number should be positive. Let us consider another example, that factorize x square plus x minus 56. Here the coefficient of x is positive and the constant term is negative. So we take two numbers a and b such that a plus b is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x, and ab is equal to minus 56, that is the constant term. So we find the two factors a and b of minus 56 such that their sum will be 1. So the possible factors of minus 56 can be 7 multiplied by 8. Now if we put minus 7 here, then minus 7 plus 8 is equal to 1, which is satisfying with the given condition. But if we write here 7 multiplied by minus 8, in that case 7 plus minus 8 is not equals to 1. That will give minus 1. So according to the case, the greater number should be positive. So here we take in these two factors 8 as the positive. So we know also that 14 fours are also 56. So if we write 14 multiplied by minus 4, then 14 plus minus 4 will not give 1. So we will not consider these two factors. So therefore we take the two numbers. One is suppose a is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to 8. Then the given expression becomes x square plus x minus 56 is equal to x square. In place of x, we will write a plus b, that is minus 7 plus 8 x. In place of minus 56, we will write minus 7 multiplied by 8. Now if you open the bracket, this becomes minus 7x plus 8x plus minus 7 multiplied by 8. So we can write here x minus 7, if you take x common, then plus 8 x minus 7. So this becomes x minus 7 multiplied by x plus 8. So these are the two factors of the given expression x square plus x minus 56. Now in this case, if we observe the expression x square plus px plus q, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab, that is equal to x plus a, the first number a, then x plus b, the second number, we can directly write. So if we get the two numbers a and b, if we take a is equal to minus 7 and b is equals to 8, then if we write in this way, then this directly we can use this formula, that is x minus 7 into x plus 8. We can directly put this value as the two factors. So we can do it directly also. But if we remember this factor form, then only. Consider another case when p is negative, q is negative. In that case, we consider two numbers a and b such that a plus b is equal to p, which is negative, and ab is equal to q, which is also negative. So we know product of two numbers is negative, that means one of them is negative, another should be positive. So a greater than 0, then b less than 0. If a less than 0, then b greater than 0. Now the sum of two numbers is also negative. So here we should take the greater number as negative, so that we get their sum as negative. So the greater number should be here negative. For example, factorize x square minus 7x minus 30. So let us take two numbers a and b such that a plus b is equal to minus 7 and their product is equal to minus 30. Now the two factors of minus 30 are, what are the possible factors we can write? We know 30s are 30. So let us write this as 1. So here we take the greater number as negative. So let us take minus 30 as the negative number. But 1 plus minus 30 is not equals to minus 7. So this we will not consider. Again, we know 2 15s are 30. So here we take, let us 15 as negative. But 2 plus minus 15 will not give minus 7. So we will not consider this case also. Again, we consider 3 multiplied by minus 10. So 3 plus minus 10 will give here minus 7. So in this case, we can consider this two numbers 3 and 10 because their product is giving minus 30 and their sum is giving minus 7. 3 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 7. So we will consider the two numbers as, so we will take the two numbers, let us take A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 10. So here the greater number should be negative, otherwise their sum will not come a negative. So we take these two numbers as, so the given expression becomes x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to x square minus 7x. In place of minus 7 we will write as, in this form we will write, that is A means 3, then plus minus 10 x, then minus 3 multiplied by minus 10. So this we can directly put in the factor form, that is x plus a. So x plus a. So here a means 3. So in place of a we will put here 3 and the other factors will be x minus 10. So in this way we can directly put the value of this a and b. So the required factor form of the given expression x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 10. Now let us consider another case when the coefficient of x square in place of 1 if there is any other constant. For example, capital A x square plus px plus q. So we choose two numbers a and b such that their sum will be p, that is the coefficient of x, and product of the two numbers will be that time a into q. A is the coefficient of x square and q is the constant term. For example, let us consider an example that 3x square minus 4x minus 4. So in this case we take a and b two numbers such that their sum will be minus 4, that is the coefficient of x, and their product will be the coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is 3 multiplied by minus 4, that is here minus 12. Now we have to find the two factors of minus 12 such that their sum will be minus 4. So we can write minus 12 as 1 multiplied by 12. So here in this case, as their sum is negative, so we always take the greater number as negative, but 1 plus minus 12 will not give as minus 4. So we will not consider these two numbers. Again 3 multiplied by 4. So if we take minus 4 as negative, then 3 plus minus 4 will not give minus 4. So we will not consider these numbers also. Similarly for minus 3, 4 also we will not get the sum as minus 4. So again we have to think another factors. For example, 2 multiplied by 6. So here we take 6 negative because 6 is greater number. So 2 plus minus 6 will give here minus 4. So here we are getting the sum as minus 4 when we are taking the two factors as 2 and minus 6. So in this case we are getting the sum as minus 4. So we take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 6. So the given expression becomes 3x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 3x square. Now here a plus b means p, that is minus 4. So a plus b is equal to minus 4. In place of a plus b minus 4 we will put a plus b. So that is plus, in place of minus 4 we will put 2 plus minus 6. So in place of minus 4 we will put a plus b, then we write as minus 4. Now if we open the bracket we get 3x square plus there will be 1x. So that becomes 2x minus 6x minus 4. From the first two terms if we take x common, then it becomes 3x plus 2 And from second two terms, if we take minus 2 common, then we get 3x plus 2. So in both the terms 3x plus 2 is common, so one of the factor will be 3x plus 2 and the another factor will be x minus 2, which is the required factor form of the given expression 3x square minus 4x minus 4. So in this way, if we can find the factors of the given expressions when it is in the form x square plus px plus q, which is also known as factorization by splitting the middle term. Here we are splitting the middle term of the given algebraic expressions, that is also known as quadratic polynomials. So in this case we are splitting the middle term. So this method is also known as factorization by splitting the middle term. So you try some questions which is given in your book. I hope all of you understood the method. Thank you all of you.